What you looking at? Come here. Oh. I can't wait to hear this exhaust with my actual ears. I'm so ready for today because this bad boy is going on that bad boy. And I'm so fucking ready. Boom, right? We got that bad boy in there. Let's close it up. So yes, as you can tell from the title of the video, we are doing the exhaust today on the RS5. And bro, I am so excited. Y'all have no idea. Don't get me wrong, stock, this car sounds awesome. And it does sound really good, but it's just missing that volume to it. It has a little bit of volume, but not enough volume. And for those of you guys who know by the box, and for those of you who don't, I have the ECS Tuning Resonator Delete X-Pipe replacement for the RS5 exhaust system. And basically, it just deletes the resonator as it says, replaces it with a straight pipe, and adds an X-Pipe to it. So honestly, one of the reasons why I went with this over a full exhaust system is that a full exhaust system is thousands of dollars. And honestly, I'm not looking to spend that kind of money. Don't get me wrong, the Valvetronic, the JHM, which I don't even know you can get in America, the Miltech exhaust, the Capristo, Akrapovich. There's a whole boatload of great exhaust systems for this car, but honestly, they're so expensive that I don't even want to spend that kind of money. And so this piece is very affordable. I think I spent about $340 after taxes. And from all the videos I watched on YouTube about the exhaust, it sounds pretty much just the same, but louder and slightly more raspier, which is kind of what I like for this car. So long story short, man, I can't wait to hear this exhaust with my actual ears instead of over videos. And plus, everybody has different audio on their videos, so you can't get a real grasp of how it actually sounds. But man, I'm so ready today, and I'm bringing y'all along with me. So real quick, this is me from the next day. I'm gonna show you guys some exhaust clips of before it was done and after it was done. So I got you guys. So right now we are taking the car to my buddy's shop. His name is John over at J-Rad's Automotive, and he's gonna take care of it for me. He's taking care of all my cars. I trust him, and he's a cool guy. So updates on the car. The only update is that I finally went and got it tinted. I got 15% on the sides and back, and I went ahead and spent the extra money and got ceramic tint. It is the XPEL XR Plus ceramic tint. And from having this tint and regular tint, I do notice a huge difference. Now the price difference is huge, but there is a drastic difference between this and regular tint. All right, we just pulled up to the shop, about to get the car done up, about to go check in on him, see what's up with him. Oh, what's up, doggy? What's up, doggy? Come here, doggy. What's up, Ken? What's up, Ken? Who's your good dog? Who's your good dog? Sit down, sit. What you looking at? Come here. Oh. My boy John just came out. He's about to pull her into the shop. Wait for me. John, go all the way on it.
Is that H-pipe or an X-pipe?
It's an X-pipe. See that other box back there? There's another box. The brown box, that's the clamps. Here's the muffler right here with the valve in it. And this is the big resonator that's gonna get deleted. And the X-pipe goes right there. And then the exhaust. Yeah, man. What's up, though? What's up, pup? What's up? You wanna come work on the car? You wanna come work on the car?
Hanfies. Ooh, very nice.
Got the clamps.
That's a metric of health.
And oh, they definitely packaged the thing really nice. There's got no dent in it. So I guess what I should do here, I'm gonna have to mark it pretty good. Oh, relax, bud. Stop it. I think I'll take the clamps off first, and I'll make a cut before, since we're not using this anyway.
Mm-hmm.
And then at least that way I can get a better idea with actually hooking it in here and then putting it up to that. Yeah, I don't know how much it's gonna vibrate to actually help it. And actually, if I put a thin block of wood here, I can brace it a little bit, and it'll help the vibrations stay down.
Hold it up there. Well, here, hold the whole thing. Grab my marker. Alright, I'm gonna mark where the tips end.
Right. And just cut behind it.
So just give it like.
That should be good.
It's good?
Yeah. Got him.
At least they design it better than a Subaru.
Okay. I think we're ready for a startup.
Got the old resonator off, and now it is on. Rev it. So final thoughts on the exhaust. This is the best bang for your buck exhaust you can do for the RS5s, because all of the systems out there, they're like thousands of dollars, and this ECS Tuning Resonator Delete X-Pipe is only like a little over $300, and then you just have to get it installed. And honestly, it wakes the car right up and gives it the volume and sound and just that extra like special sound that you don't get when it's stock. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, big shout out to my boy John over at J-Rad's Automotive. If you're in the Southeast Pennsylvania area and you're looking to get something done on your car, hit him up. He got you. He knows what he's doing. But go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe button, because I'm bringing more banger content out for the RS5, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. All right, I know you guys cannot see me because it is dark as shit outside, but we're gonna go through these little back roads. This shit sounds fucking